In this episode, we've collected the latest robots of the year 2021. You will learn about the latest developments in robotics and get to know high-tech and incredible robots. All types of robots from humanoid to robotic grippers to microscopic robots will be featured today. Smart robots from Samsung. CES is the place where consumer electronics companies can showcase less conventional products and demonstrate how their technologies could change our lives for the better. Samsung has done exactly that at CES 2021, when it unveiled a new household robot powered by artificial intelligence. It's called Samsung Bot Handy, and despite the name, it doesn't seem to be related with the fictional Mr. Handy household robots from the Fallout video game franchise. Robotic Kitchen. The world's first robotic kitchen was showcased today at CES 2021, one of the world's premier consumer technology shows. Created by British technology company Mole Robotics, the system features a dexterous robot integrated into a luxury kitchen that prepares freshly cooked meals at the touch of a button. Digit Humanoid Delivery Robot. US startup Agility Robotics has announced that its bipedal robot Digit is now for sale, with the first 2 units bought by automaker Ford to research last-mile package delivery. Digit is approximately the size and shape of a small adult human. It's able to navigate environments semi-autonomously with the help of LiDAR and other sensors, and it can carry boxes in its arms up to 40 pounds in weight. Agility Robotics says it can be put to a range of uses, including in logistics, warehouses, telepresence, and industrial inspection. Robot Dog. There is a growing preference for robopets, which are robots using artificial intelligence to perform sometimes extraordinary tasks. US-based firm Boston Dynamics is a leading light in robotics, which its famous robotic dog called Spot. A Chinese tech firm, Welian, has now developed the Chinese version of Spot, called AlphaDog, which is already on sale in China for 16,000 yuan, or $2,400 US. Compared to the $74,500 price tag of Spot, this is without doubt a far cheaper version. Chinese copy of Robot Spot. China is a land of industrial science which is powering its rapid growth. The appetite for technology in the country is only growing, and it shows with every new high-tech innovation. The latest addition seems to fulfill China's 2 burgeoning loves: pets and technology. Enter AlphaDog, a robotic hound which uses sensors and artificial intelligence technology. A robotic hound which uses sensors and artificial intelligence technology to hear and see its environment, and can even be taken for walks. AlphaDog follows in the footsteps of Spot, a 4-legged machine designed for industrial use by Boston Dynamics that became an internet sensation after appearing in a series of viral YouTube videos. New robots from Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics has been fielding questions about when its robots are going to go on sale and how much they'll cost for at least a dozen years now. But it's only relatively recently that the company started to make a concerted push away from developing robots exclusively for the likes of DARPA into platforms with more commercial potential, starting with a compact-legged robot called Spot, first introduced in 2016. Tiger X1 from Hyundai. The Transforming Intelligent Ground Exertion Robot, or Tiger, is Hyundai Motor Group's second ultimate mobility vehicle and the first one to operate autonomously. The UMV is designed to carry various types of payload while traveling over challenging terrain. The X in Tiger X1 stands for experiment. Hyundai unveiled the Tiger on February 10 in Seoul, South Korea. Hyundai Motor Group's New Horizon studio, headquartered in Mountain View, California, is the location at which Tiger is being developed in partnership with Autodesk and Sunberg Ferrar. Martian Drone. The drone, called Ingenuity, was airborne for less than a minute, but NASA is celebrating what represents the first powered, controlled flight by an aircraft on another world. Confirmation came via a satellite at Mars, which relayed the chopper's data back to Earth. The space agency is promising more adventurous flights in the days ahead. Ingenuity will be commanded to fly higher and further as engineers seek to test the limits of the technology. The rotorcraft was carried to Mars in the belly of NASA's Perseverance rover, which touched down in Jezero crater on the Red Planet in February. Robot for destroying weeds. Whether you're a farmer tending to expensive crops that you depend on for your livelihood, or a hobbyist gardener trying to keep your tomatoes in check, weeds can be a time-consuming and relentless problem. Startup Carbon Robotics has wheeled out an autonomous machine that has these pesky plants in its crosshairs, using a combination of computer vision and high-powered lasers to comb fields and take out thousands of weeds in an hour. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button down there, comment down your views, and do share with more of your friends. Take care, see ya!